Good morning, student. Class first, subject computer, lesson number 5, uses of computers. Definition: use of computers. As you all know, it becomes difficult in today's digital world to do a lot of work without a computer, or simply that a lot of work is impossible without a computer, because there are many use of computer that made it an integral part of many areas. Almost everyone is familiar with computers, are particularly done by all the institutions used in all office, school, college, etc., because it has a versatile feature. With the development and updated technology, now computers are used by the almost all the fields and every person in their home. Let's know the significant 10 application of computer in our daily life and other different areas: education, at home, banking sector, business and marketing, entertainment, medical hospital, science and research, government, defense, weather, foresting. First, education. With the arrival of computer into education and studies, the standard level of education have increased. Both colleges and school students are getting benefit from the computer, either in institutes or even at home. Second, at home. The presence of the computers in homes is very beneficial, especially in this information area. Computer is the workplace, school and college have their importance and versatile use for different purpose. However, the use of the personal computer at home cannot be underestimated. Third one, business and marketing. In this digital world, the uses of computer in business and industry are increasing day by day. Fourth one, bank sector. With the increase in the use of computers in a bank, the speed and accuracy of work have increased. Computers are used in bank for many other several reasons. They help bank employees to work more efficiently and effectively. Fifth one, entertainment. Today computers are being used a lot of for entertainment purpose. Due to computers functions have been progressively improving, we get many entertainment feature on computer, so that we don't need a television for entertainment. Sixth one, medical hospital. The computer plays a significant role in hospital that do not use computer. As computer technology is changing and innovating, computers become increasingly common in other parts of medical faculties. Today, computers are used everywhere, from patient sites, medical cards, nursing libraries, and operating rooms. Seventh one, science and research. It is impossible to think without the use of computer technology in science and research, because computers are an integral part of the field of science and research. Computers have changed the way that scientific research is compiled and analyzed. Eighth one, government. Computer has been become an integral part of government work. Computers in government office speed up these tasks, since most of them contain numerous software programs such as word processor, PPT, spreadsheet and database management programs. Defense, weather, foresting. Okay, my dear student, open your course book. Lesson number 5, use of computer, page number 39. I read the lesson from the book. Computers are useful to us in many ways. They help us to learn, write, draw, play games, watch cartoons, and listen to music. Learn. You can learn ABC spellings, part of bodies, solve sums, and watch more things using computer. Write. You can write letters to your friends. Your father can prepare a documentations of his project. Making drawing. Using computer you can draw pictures. You can also color after completing your drawing. Play games. You can play games like car racing, chess, cricket, basketball, and puzzle on a computer. Watch cartoons and movies. You can watch cartoons and movie on computers. Listen to music. You can play songs on a computer. A computer is used at many places: at school, at home, at a bank, at a hospital, at a shop, at a airport. Okay, I think you understand what is the means of this chapter. Okay, if you any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye, see you.